Hi friend! So, thank you so much for this, for your comments and for all the love and support that you give us on our videos. I see you, and I really am thankful for the things that you comment on our videos and that you follow us like that. It's really helping us to grow our TikTok and to show everybody about Bulgaria and everything that we're doing. So what was life like before coming here? And I wanted to answer your question because I think it's a good question. So my life in the Netherlands has been good. I mean, I cannot complain. We always had enough. We had enough money. I couldn't really handle a full-time job or anything like that. So, but we always had enough. I did have a lot of struggles with addictions before, with all kinds of addictions before. I have something that you call ADD and borderline symptoms, so I have been struggling with mental health problems also a lot in the Netherlands, and I have never really been feeling I have been living in the Netherlands for all my life, but it never really felt like home or anything. I was always dreaming about a country like this, and mostly about a rural place where I could go out of the door without feeling the overwhelm immediately when I come outside, because that's what I feel in the Netherlands. Everything is crowded and the houses are on each other almost stuck to each other, and everything, like it's many times it's very dark, like rainy and all the things, and I just never have been able to cope with that very well. So I always lock myself up a lot at home, trying to make it work. Our daughter is also battling with mental health issues, and we just see that here in Bulgaria everything is looking like much better. We feel much better. I can cope with things much better because now I have the space. I love the air. I love the nature. I love the people in Bulgaria. It's just everything. It feels like I'm alive again. It's just, yeah. I don't know. I don't really understand what it is, but I just know that I have to be here. So actually we are not yet living here permanently, so we have to go back next week, sadly. Oh, when I think about it, my stomach wants to turn. But yeah, we still have a lot to arrange in the Netherlands too. So our life in the Netherlands, I cannot complain. It was good, but I always knew deep down in my heart that I didn't want to stay there. So this opportunity is an adventure for us, and like last year I tried to start digital marketing. I did it a little bit, but I have to study more, and the studying thing is something I just cannot focus the whole time on that. So, but I have to try to get back on it when I have a little more time, because here in Bulgaria I'm mostly working. It's rabota, how they say it here in Bulgaria. It's the rabota means work in Bulgarian. So I have been working non-stop here on the house, so now I could not focus on studying my digital marketing. And I believe in digital marketing totally. I think it's the future. It's amazing. You can earn good money with that, but you need to be able to put your time in it and to learn the skills. And I'm just honest, I have not been doing that enough, sadly. So I hope in the future I can do that a little more. So yeah, that's my life in the Netherlands, and I'm very thankful for all the things that the reactions that I get from you, and I see you again, and God bless you, and thank you so much, and for the follow and for the because my heart is in Bulgaria, and I want to show everybody about the beauty of Bulgaria and how much is possible here, and the people are wonderful. It's such an amazing country. So thank you again, God bless you, and speak to you soon, girl. Bye bye.